You know what my husband does? Let me tell you guys. Good morning, everyone. It's Vlogmas day 5. Now today.
Hey, mommy.
Hey, mommy. So we're getting ready to go to the gym. It's Monday. We gotta get our gym in. I am forcing myself because I'm tired. I'm not feeling well. And I got a lot of things to do. And I'm already at a late head start. But anyways, let me give you guys a little rundown. So this is a new, it's not a faja, it's a new like little sweating thing. I like to sweat my torso area. So, and I also like to put like that sweet cream so it can help me sweat. But apparently the sweet cream is missing, or sweat cream, what the fuck, sweet cream. The sweet sweat is missing. My tripod is missing. Things are just lost. Here it is. Anyways, so we're gonna go without it. And I'm also trying the new pre-workout that we bought yesterday. It is from Rise and it's Kool-Aid flavor. So we're gonna give it a shot. Wait, what's the recommendation? 1 scoop. We're gonna do half because it's the first time that I'm trying it and I don't want to have a freaking heart attack at the gym. We're doing half. That's the plan for, that's what we're doing right now. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. I'm gonna take you guys with me to the gym, but we'll be doing it in my phone. I think I like the flavor of the other one. Let's see how the performance is on this one. But anyways, we are about to go to the gym. And then I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna do for the rest of the day. Guys, so I am done. I tried recording as much as I could, but there was a lot of people and I don't know if you know, but it's awkward recording at the gym. There's people everywhere. There's a person right now in the car next to me. There's a lady leaving her car behind me. They're probably looking at me through the 2nd floor saying, look at that crazy lady talking to her phone. Anyways, I'm going home. Hi guys, we are back from the gymbo. Let me see how to place you. Hey, so this is the deal. I lost my tripod. I don't know where. I lost my tripod. Don't know where it went. No cap in my caption. Yo, I lost my fucking tripod. So I'm over here trying to figure out ways to get like good angles. Anyways, finished the gym today and I'm about to have some breakfast and I'm gonna have these oatmeals that I got last time when we went to Costco. Remember, we went to Costco. So there's an apple, walnut, and grains and seeds, maple, cinnamon, dates. Huh? Wait, what's I never checked the nutrition fact on this shit. Well, too bad, so sad. I bought it, so I have to eat this now. So in a bowl, we're gonna add our cinnamon, our oatmeals.
Tires is dirty.
The tires are dirty, just like you, my puppy. You need to take shower.
Why the bed? Yeah, it's just dirty.
It's dirty, just like you. Welcome to Joseph's construction zone. What are you doing, my baby? Dino Wino Show. Hi, Dino Wino Show. Dino Wino. Dino Wino. Dino. Dino, stop Frenching me.
That's flashing, mommy. Ow! Ow!
We're about to assess the damage in Jose's gym because of the rain. That's Jose's little pride and joy, and he wants more stuff. Yeah, maybe it's not the best, but he has a lot of stuff. And it's not the best because we don't have the space here at the house, so obviously it has to be outside, which gets damaged because it rains. I mean, like, he hasn't seen this, but I'll show you guys. His weights have water, so that's gonna rust if he doesn't come and take that off. So if I were him, I would get to it. And I'm supposed to be out making a menudo, but I'm procrastinating because that's just what I do best. That's my yard, guys. We have a huge backyard and we pretend it doesn't exist because it's just too much work. The only thing I love about back here is my avocado tree, and the light people came and then they chopped off my avocado tree, so now this year I have no avocados. And then to top it all off, I told Jose what was happening about my avocado tree and why I was so upset. Why does he go the next day and chops off the other branch? You know what my husband does? Let me tell you guys. So he wakes up like around 4 or 5 in the morning. Why? No idea. Then he goes to the living room, drinks his coffee, sits his little ass there on his phone, TV, whatever. And then I wake up normal times, 8, 8:30, and he is tired and he's ready for his freaking morning nap. And it's like, this motherfucker, get your ass at the same time that I do, because I'm not gonna wake up at 4 or 5, let me tell you. That's too damn early. There's hella avocados, not hella avocados, but there's a couple of them on the floor. Let me see if they're good. Let me see if I can rescue them. We got a nice avocado here. And then this little mini one. Oh, there's more. There's another one here. I don't know about this thing. 3 avocados. There's more. This is my little cactus that I use to feed Bento and Franklin. I need to cut off some cactus right now and give him some. So according to my camera, my battery is about to die, so I have to go replace the battery. But let's cut some cactus for the tortoise. Put that there. Let's cut some here. I think that's enough. Shit. Dropping my avocados.
Looky, looky, look what we have here.
Who invited you, sir?
Me. What are you doing? Oh, what are you making?
Menudo. It's not ready. It's in the works. I am also washing all these freaking dishes. Again, like always. Are you recording my double chins?
Now I am.
Look at Joseph. Oh no! I made a mess and it's all your fault for being in here. That's why I tell you guys not to be in here when I'm in here.
Yeah.
Just to be helping?
He is not.
Nah, he's helping me though.
Oh no, good luck, I meal.
Damn.
Drop it.
You're not gonna have any.
Stay.
No, I don't like those anyway.
They help you poop.
They make me get the diaries. I know.
That's why they help you poop.
I don't like them.
They have a
pooping seeds.
They have a lot of fiber. Ew, gross. Get out of here. They have a lot of fiber. Why is this granddad so stupid? Like, who made this one?
Stop it.
Joseph, I'm trying.
Joseph, smack it.
Mommy, hey, doing snacks.
Yeah, what are you doing making it?
Mommy.
I'm getting all the seeds out for you so you guys can go to the sala and leave me alone. I'm trying to concentrate. Gosh, but you get all the white parts.
Yummy crocodile.
I know, they're so yummy.
Cut to that.
Oh!
Gonna add water, queen, and then just remove them.
In case you guys don't know what crawdads are, it's
Granadas.
yeah, pomegranate.
Jose's still recording my double chin.
I'm recording the bowl.
Oh.
You're showing how to take off the white stuff.
Yeah, and you want to know how to make them better? I'll show you. I'll show you right now. We wait all season because we only get these in November and December to eat granadas. So we take advantage, queen.
Mommy, hey, do we see it?
I know, I'm putting on some tahini so it can be yummy.
Hey, do we see? Put me here.
And then a spoon for your son. And we got a nice snack.
Hey, Bobby.
Maggie.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Yeah.
What the hell?
Mommy,
I got.
stop eating.
Sounds like.
I was choking, believe it or not. Here.
Wow, Gee.
Now,
Damn, dude.
we're gonna have to end the vlog here, guys, because I have a lot of things to do. My pot is over boiling over here.
Boiling.
Over boiling. I have a shitload of dishes to wash. I have a couple of other things that I have to do. And I'm here looking like caca de vaca. But don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I almost can swear Jose is recording my double chins because I can see. Are you recording my double chin? Thanks.
Hi. From now on, record like this.
No, you're still recording my chin. Does that look better?
I guess.
Does that look stronger? Anyways, we are gonna cut the vlog short today because I got a lot of things to do. But don't forget to like, share, subscribe, notification bell. What else? Follow me on everything. And that's it, guys. Bye. 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 That means you shut off the camera. Bye.